y'all both in there? Whoa!
Yeah.
Is that fun?
Come in here.
Wait, who was in there? Oh, all of you are in there. Hi. Is Jaden one too? How in the world?
Push me in.
There's Ollie.
There's Ollie.
There he is.
No.
Niagara Falls, your first time. The boat. Are we gonna go into the waterfall? And then what else are we gonna ride? Are you excited about that?
Actually cool to be in the falls, right? Yeah. So that was pretty awesome.
So what's your opinion of the trolley? You like it? Is it cool? It's a video, not a picture, buddy. Is that funny? Is that lady funny?
Ooh, is it raining?
It's raining.
Oh, really, Amanda?
I'm so glad I got that on video.
No, that guy just said it's raining too. 3. Wait a minute, wait a minute. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
That's where we went, right in there. Ah, crazy, right? So if you don't know, Maid of the Mist is the boat ride that you can take that goes into the Horseshoe Falls, and it literally drives like, well, not drives, it floats, or whatever it does on water, into the middle of the Horseshoe Falls.
So we had to wear these bags, and then we got into a boat. Well, we got super wet because we went like by the waterfall, and it splashed it all over. It's midnight, and we're going to sleep, so okay, that's all for today.